Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is a new Dollar Tree haul. I just posted a walkthrough the other day and this is the follow-up video to show you what I actually picked up. So of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for coming on back for another video. And if you are new, my name is Jessica and I love to do a lot of dollar store and Dollar Tree oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that's your thing, you are definitely in the right place. I have an entire Dollar Tree haul playlist that I will have linked down below. So if you love Dollar Tree hauls and you're new to my channel, I have several that I have done over the years. So definitely check that out and binge watch some of those videos after you're done with this one. And I'll also have my Dollar Tree walkthrough playlist linked down below as well. So yeah, this is a pretty decent sized haul for me. So yeah, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So first, kind of a boring item, but kind of a necessity, is I really love these. For $1.25, these mailers, these are kind of like those heavy duty ones, you know, they're kind of like more plasticky. And this is a really big one. It's water resistant, it says, and then it's 12.5 by 18 inches. So it's really a decent size. They have them smaller than this as well, and that's actually what I wanted. But in a pinch, it's better to have one a little bit too big than too small. So I picked up one of these because I have to mail something a little later in the week. So I bought quite a few Christmas things. Didn't mean to, but did. I really don't need more, but if you are new to my channel, I'm doing my tree. Pretty much I have 2 trees in my house. They're usually always decorated with Dollar Tree ornaments. And yeah, for my main tree, I'll have a tree behind me here, but my main tree I do in like buffalo plaid. And so Dollar Tree has just really been bringing it. And like things that are like woodsy, like, I don't know. I mean, I don't even know how to explain, but you'll see the style of things that I've purchased. So, and they've been carrying kind of this like buffalo plaid kind of motif for their Christmas decor the last couple of years. And they have a lot of the same stuff, like a lot of repeat items that have come back, but they've also got some new items as well. So the first thing is I thought these were really cute, and they have a really good selection of both the red and black and the black and white. And I do my tree in both. So these little ornaments right here, they're these little presents, and they've got the little like holly berries and the pine cones up on top, super cute. And this one has like a little, you know, like a little hemp string, and this one's got the burlap. So cute. I literally went to a store here in town. We have like a Christmas store that's a little bit kind of fancy. It's fancy. It's not like a Christmas tree shop. If you're used to living like up in the north, I know where I come from, there's Christmas tree shops. They're called, but this is a little bit more of a high-end, pricier kind of a place. And all kinds of ornaments like this, just different styles, different types of themes. And you know, the ornaments are like $7.99, and like easily these would be like $7.99 in that store. And so they have like a styrofoam in them, and they're just really nice, like really, really nice, you guys. Like seriously, $1.25. And like I said, these would easily be like $7.99 plus tax in one of those fancier Christmas stores. So yeah, I picked up one of each color. And then again, going with the buffalo plaid theme. I don't know if these are like brand new this year. I feel like I would have picked them up if I saw them last year. Same thing with the presents. But again, red and black and white. These little like cloth, like ice skates, you guys. Seriously though. And they got the little berries and pine cones in them. You know, and of course, you know, they hang. And I got one of each because they got little bells on them. I mean, that, seriously, $1.25. So cute. You could do, like, I know a lot of people like to do like the black and white, it's kind of very Farmhouse-esque. They've got you covered. They've got so much stuff, you guys. I feel like this year they have a lot more of the black and white. Last year they had a little bit more, and the previous year had a lot more of the red and black. I think they've upped their game in the black and white because I think that's what like a lot of people that do like the Farmhouse style kind of gravitate towards. So they have a whole lot more of that this year, I feel. And again, going with the buffalo plaid again, and I think I'd seen these last year. Can't really remember, but these kind of look familiar. I got 2 of these little 2-packs of ornaments in the red and black. So they're just like, you know, just like little, you know, traditional Christmas balls with the pattern. Because I do like to have like some fancy stuff like this, but I also like to have some traditional ornaments in there as well, kind of mixed in. So I got 2 of the red and black, so that's 4 ornaments there. And then I got 3 of the black and white because I kind of have to add a little bit more of the black and white to my tree this year. So you have the 2 together, you know, just so nice. Or, you know, if you did your tree and all of the black and white buffalo plaid, I mean, they, like I said, they are bringing it. So I bought 5 of those total, 2 of the red and 3 of the white. And so I have like realized over the years that my favorite bird is apparently a cardinal. I really like cardinals. I guess I realize that they're like out in the wintertime, and so when it's like just dreary and everything just looks like not colorful in any way, or it's snowing, I'll see cardinals out in my front yard, and I'm like obsessed. The fact that you can see this little red bird, you know, when, you know, at a time when we need a little bit more color. So I've come to really like cardinals. So I wanted to add some cardinal stuff into the tree this year as well. So I saw these, they were so cute. They're these decorative little clips, and I bought two, and they have the little red bird, which I'm gonna say is a cardinal, and it's got the pine cone and the berries, and they're like snow covered. So I just think that's so cute. And of course, you know, they've got the little clip right there. So yeah, I bought two of those. I thought they would look really nice just in the tree amongst everything else. So then I already have one or two of this style of ornament, but I wanted to pick up another one. And basically it's just this kind of like glass. It's either glass or plastic, I don't really know. And it's covered in like a burlap, and it's got this beautiful scene of like a moose. Is that a moose? Probably a reindeer. I guess it's probably a reindeer. And the pine trees. And like I said, I think I already have one of these. But I just think that's so cozy and just looks so nice with all the plaid stuff. And it's woodsy. That's kind of what I mean by woodsy. So they also, I saw yesterday that they have a cardinal one as well. And I think I already have a cardinal or two. And I think I already have one of these. I just picked up another one. And then I have a couple of these, I believe, in the red and the black. And like I said, I still have my stuff packed away, so I don't know exactly what I have. But I picked up one in the black and white, and it's just these little, it says hope, and it's got the holly berries and the ribbon. And it's like, seriously, I cannot believe some of these ornaments are $1.25. They look so much more expensive, like where you could only have a couple of them on your tree without spending a fortune. And I've got some different, like, I think I have one that says Noel, and it's in red and black, and I can't really remember, but like I said, I do know I need more of the black and white plaid on my tree this year. Yeah, I wanted to pick up a black and white one just to add more of that color story into my tree. So then I just wanted to get a couple more like little woodsy elements. So these are actually two different ones. I'll show you this one here first. It's a little holly bouquet. Then they had a ton, at my Dollar Tree, they had a ton of different floral stuff and picks and all kinds of things. So yeah, it's just got some pine cones, some berries, and it's just got the greenery on it. And then I also bought this one here. It's got the glitter, and it's got some little gold berries, and it's got the leaves that have the white on them. So yeah, just to kind of randomly place in the tree. I think out of all the buffalo plaid and stuff that I have in my collection, I didn't even use everything on the tree, so I got way more than I need. Then what would a trip to the Dollar Tree be without getting something sparkly and glittery and messy? So I picked up 4 of these. They were just so pretty. They caught my eye, and they had gold. I just got silver. And they're just they get these really big, giant pieces of sparkle on them. The camera doesn't even do them justice. They're so sparkly, so reflective. And like, imagine if you did your tree, I might do this one year, all like black and white buffalo plaid in the silver. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I bought 4 of these just to kind of randomly stick in the tree. So another boring item just to get out of the way is this, I like to buy this stuff at the Dollar Tree. It's just some mailing tape, some packing tape. So I'm almost out of the one that I have. So I just wanted to have a backup. And I like to keep one like in my car and one at home. So just needed one of those. So I picked up some of that. Again, boring. So I need to stock up and get another setting spray. So while I was at the Dollar Tree, I just got my trusted little LA Colors setting spray. I needed another one in work at my vanity, so wanted to pick up one for there. So Ioni has some new packaging for their makeup, and in there they had a couple of new shades of things. So I just picked up the stuff that I knew I didn't have. So I got a blush and a liquid lipstick. So they had a couple of shades of blush that I think are repeats from their last kind of go around, the Zodiac and the jungle theme. But they had this one here. This is the shade Stellar Pink, and that looked new to me, so I picked it up. Of course, we will open it and swatch it as we always do. This packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Probably my favorite by them so far. And the last blushes that I got from them were amazing. So it's just a really like a very soft, pretty pink. Probably would be beautiful, really on, you know, I think it'll look good on my skin tone, but probably especially really good on like really light skin tones as well. So super excited to try that in a future video. And then they had some lip glosses and lipsticks, but I think I already have pretty much all the shades, except this one here. This is the shade Nude Pink. Just a beautiful shade of pink. And these, I think, dry down matte, so that will actually be very interesting because I don't have a lot of matte pink lipsticks. Yeah, it says actually it's comfortable, long-lasting, and dries down to a matte finish. First, it's gorgeous. I think I'm gonna wear this tonight for the show. This is what the tube looks like. You know, just a really nice, pretty pink. Look at how pigmented that is, you guys. It's even brighter and more pigmented on. That is so gorgeous. That is absolutely stunning. I think I'm gonna wear that tonight. I don't think I'm gonna wait for a get ready with me to try it, but we will definitely use it in a get ready with me. But that is absolutely stunning. And then the last item, and I was really excited to find this. I've been seeing it in other people's hauls, and I really didn't know. I knew it was a volumizing brush type of thing, but I didn't really know how do you do it? What is it? Do you plug it in? Do you not? Whatever. But my store had a bunch of them, so I picked up 3. One for me, maybe one to give to like a friend, one for a giveaway, or all for me if I decide I like it. Because come to find out, it is something that you use up. So anyway, this is what I'm talking about. This right here, you may have seen these in people's hauls. It's the Stunning Volume Styler. No heat, no sprays. It helps hydrate your hair, it claims. It's for all hair types, great for color treated hair. It's designed to nourish and restore hair. It's botanical infused, it says. And of course, volumizing, incredible body, and it lifts from the root. It apparently lasts all day long. It is not something that you plug in. I did open mine up and I may have tried it. But I'm not gonna tell you what I think yet because I'm gonna put together another like favorites and fails video. And so I wanna save my verdict for that video. But I will show you kind of how the product works. So basically it comes, you know, like this, like a brush. And this it has like a soap type of a thing in it that comes in this little box right here. And so you slide this off, you stick it in, and then you put this back here on to the brush. And it's really a very pretty brush. It's got like metallic pink, so pretty. And then it comes with a cover so you can, you know, cover it and keep it to where it doesn't dry out and travel with it. So it's just this very nice thing. I used it, when I tried it, I used it in lieu of my volumizing powder, which was just recently in, I think, my regular empties, where you shake it onto your hair and then you tease it. And I love that stuff. The only problem with that stuff is like, I have a hard time getting my shampoo to lather right when I apply it in the, you know, when I go to shampoo my hair doesn't want to lather right away. And of course, you know, it does make your hair feel a little funny. It works great though. And I only use things like that in work to blend my wig line and to give my hair body. In real life, like I don't do any of this. But yeah, so like I said, I've already tried it and I'll tell you what I think in a future favorites and fails. But yeah, the handle is really nice. It is a really cool product. So the idea is you brush and you can tease and all that kind of thing. So yeah, I was super excited. And like I said, I might include one in a giveaway or both in a giveaway. I might keep one, might give one or both to my friends. I don't know, but I did want to pick up a couple of them while my store had them. So I'll have my Dollar Tree haul playlist up here. That way you can binge watch more of my Dollar Tree hauls. I've done quite a few of them over the years, so definitely check that out. If you enjoyed this video, and I sure hope you did, make sure you hit that like button. Also share this with anybody that you know loves the Dollar Tree. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.